everybody.
Hey.
Today we're going to a 2-day camping trip in Dinosaur Valley State Park in Texas. We're gonna camp there tonight, and tomorrow morning we're gonna go on a hike all around the park.
It's a park where there's supposed to be actual dinosaur footprints, so that'll be interesting.
Yeah, so join us.
Join us.
We arrived at the state park and we're welcomed with these giant dinosaurs standing at the entrance. They look really cool, really nice and detailed. These dinosaurs were commissioned by the Sinclair Oil Company for the World Fair in New York in '64 and bought by the state park in 1970 and delivered here. So they're just a happy find. Now we'll go and try to find their footprints. We found one of the track sites behind me in the water. Let's get a closer look at it. So it seems the dinosaur was about size 13 US. We got to our campsite. It was about half a mile walk from the parking lot. There's a few other campsites around us. See Isabel there is making her last steps, and it's located right next to the river. It's here next to this beautiful river, and we'll go a bit more upstream. There should be another site with footprints, and then we start building our camp for the night. Another footprint we found going upstream. It's getting dark, so we're not gonna go much further. But this is the rock bed of the creek that captured all of the footprints of the dinosaurs millions of years ago. And wherever it's not broken up and washed away, we can still see those footprints. cup of coffee, got all ready, and now we're going on the trail. This is the map of the area. We're right here. We're gonna cross, then go up the blue trail, the orange one, the green one, and then maybe we'll do this loop as well. Should be about 4 to 6 miles, depending how long we're gonna take it. And let's go. This is the main tracks area. There's another set of tracks, a bigger herbivore. This is beautiful. Look at all the butterflies.
I'm not sure those are butterflies.
They look like butterflies.
They look like a dragonfly slash butterfly thing.
Wanna have some cookies?
Yeah. Hungry.
finished with the park. Had a small lunch, and now we're heading back.
It was great. I really loved the trails. We walked on a fairly long trail through the forest, along the edge of the river. It was beautiful, very relaxing. So
It was like 3.5 hours.
yeah, something like that.
Yeah, so it was nice. We didn't do everything we wanted to do, but we did some other stuff. All in all, we went for like 5 miles. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed it.
And join us next time.